So over here you can see that I got chat history and everything in my ChatGPT. And if you want to go around and export out these datas, then you can easily do that by going around onto your profile and by going around onto your settings. So once you go around over here, you can go around onto, let's say for example, data control, and over here you can see that export data is an option. So if I were to go around and click, then what happens is that I can go around and export this, confirm the export right here. And now it says successfully exported data, and you should receive an email shortly with your data. So you need to go around and access your email account. So I'm just going to go around onto my Gmail account right here, just like this. And let me just go around over here, and you can see that it says your export data is ready. So I can go around and access it and download the export data around over here. So once I go around and do that, you can see that it downloads out a zip file around over here. So just like this, you got the zip file over here, and you can see that this is what you have. I got my conversations and everything in JSON format, and you can see the chat around over here. So let's just go around over here and open this out. Let's say for example, and then you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that all of my conversations right here are actually saved out. So you can see that I have, let's say for example, PowerPoint, time management presentation, and then slides right here and so forth. So all of my previous information right here will be exported out right here in HTML format, and I will be able to access it easily. So that is how I can export out my data from ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.